How to stop pop-up ads on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Safari. Now, look for the Block Pop-ups option. Make sure the Block Pop-up switch is turned on. This will help prevent websites from opening unwanted pop-up windows while you're browsing in Safari. You can also turn on Fraudulent Website Warning to get a warning when Safari detects a website that may be suspicious. Now, open Safari and browse the web normally. If a website tries to open a pop-up window, Safari should block it automatically. Keep in mind that this setting mainly blocks pop-ups in Safari. It won't necessarily remove advertisements that are built directly into websites or apps. And that's how you can stop pop-up ads on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.